Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. This vehicle is featured in brown metallic paint with alloy rims. We have rear privacy tint, dual sunroofs, backup camera, as well as heated leather seats and heated steering wheel. Moving on to the interior of the Mitsubishi. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window controls with power mirror fold-in, mirror controls with power mirror fold-in and window controls underneath. We also have our speaker and storage in the door panel. Side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment. And left of the steering wheel we have our vehicle controls and lighting settings. Our gauge cluster with screen. Multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel. Paddle shifters behind. And then our push start. Infotainment screen with backup camera. Below that we have our vents. Dual zone climate controls. Heated steering wheel option, and then some storage, our gear selection stock, heated seat controls and all-wheel drive system, controls for the infotainment screen, then 2 cup holders and our electric park brake, padded leather center console lid, front seats featured in black leather with copper stitching, again they are heated, and above the rear view mirror we have our lighting controls, or reading lights I should say, as well as dual sunroofs overhead. Back onto the exterior we can see our chrome and black alloy rims with Mitsubishi badge center caps, pink matched mirror caps and door handles, and then rear privacy tint. Down to the back we have our Mitsubishi, as well as our Eclipse cross badging. Open up the back here. We'll see inside we have plenty of storage room as well as a privacy cover. On the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, our padded leather armrest, as well as a kind of carbon fiber-esque trim, our speaker and water bottle holder underneath. We have our leather magazine holders back of the front seats, rear heated seat options, as well as our rear charging outlet. And the back seats are a 60-40 split with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.